Hello, good evening. I had to change the mic settings slightly because it reset itself to be not where it's supposed to be, and it would cause the mic to be a lot more quieter. Oh, okay. So I got distracted there. Hi, yes, hi, hello. I got distracted by a very depressing treat. Let's get this going. Music is going to be... There with? Maybe? I don't know. Good enough. So let's up for FreeCAD. We can get this show on the road. So... You can take a hike. So on that note, hello guys, Musselwhite, also known as Crystallized Entertainment, and welcome back to FreeCAD. Last time I streamed this, we were working on the micro digital case, which I have done. The mega case is now ready to be 3D printed whenever the motherboard's available. Wait, no. Yeah, I was like, wait, hold on. Close. There we go. That's where the template is. Nope. Just like that, you lost me. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit unwell since last night. Virtually 24 hours ago, would you believe? And I still wanted to stream, so I just thought, just grind. You know, start the grind, just get this out so I can do the body. So I think I got varying bodies, not just a Switzerland design, but obviously American design as well. So, you know, just want to try and finish it because we've got a few things on the to-do list that needs to be done, and it's a pretty extensive list as well, which I'll go over as soon as the thing is finished loading. FreeCAD, you know, load the document. FreeCAD, hint, hint, nudge, nudge. You know, thank you. Okay. Why are you still rolling? So I've got a few things today. First thing is to mount this solenoid, this electric solenoid directional control valve I literally finished trying to recreate today. It's not going to be in an ideal spot because it's literally right underneath the chair, which is not ideal. But as you can see, this latest attempt is kind of a bit squashed. So it's not ideal, but sacrifices has to be made. All things considering, it's going to be mounted on this one instead of that one, just purely because. Oh yeah, I still need to add the mounting screws as well for the exhaust, but just purely because it's so it's easier to screw in and screw out, because I'm not going to be able to because there's a fracking engine and chair in the way. After that, I need to do the actual driver cab, so you know, need to do the dashboard cluster as well as the controls for the locomotive itself, and then that'll be that. So I make it sound like there's not a lot to do, but there's actually an exceedingly amount to do just from that small list. Like, it's like quite overwhelming. So we've got those two, then we've done with the engine bay. So let's do with this. I move this into where it's supposed to be. Then we're just going to put the solenoid over that. Then the sheet set all the values to 0. So 0, 0. And then we're just going to go up. There you go. 42. So that's now that added. Now we just go to part design, new part. Yeah. Oh, you haven't done what I thought you have. No, thank you. So yeah, I got a few bits of news today. Of fracking. There you go. I knew it was going to happen. I Can you like stop? There we go. So we got about a few things. There are only a few. Like I haven't written down that much in terms of gaming news. So yeah, first bit of news is that I have a few days ago I finally played TF2 for the first time since technically October, November time. And as you don't know, I stopped playing because of the bot problem. But it's the first time I've played it since since then, and bot problem is definitely improved. Like casual matches are actually somewhat populated most of the time. I think 2 out of 3 matches actually had actual players in it, and it was fun, and I enjoyed it. But it's not perfect because there was actually one match where it was like 3 or 4 bots, so you know it's not perfect, but it's definitely a noticeable improvement. So good on the contractors Valve hired to finally fixing it, I should say, because you know it's still being worked on as we speak. Let's go with 260, which is 520, I think. I'm just so used to using the numpad. I just literally don't have a stream deck, so I can't bind the buttons for this stupid stream anywhere else. So this is like and 60. This time, not using the numpad. That would be good. I'm gonna disable the bogey so I can't see what the fuck I'm doing. That would be nice. So where's bogey? Fucking electric group. Bogey group. There you go. Now I can't actually see what in the name of Mike I'm doing. 36. No, it should be this way, yep. 25, so that's 50. That's not what I wanted. Fuck you. So then let's move on to that, but anyway, second bit of news. I didn't know this game existed, but there's actually this game called Have a Nice Death. And actually today, I think it's today or earlier this week, new DLC was announced for it, a new expansion called fucking Fast Food, which is, you know, you're fighting food this time more or less, like demonic food prison sort of thing. It looks interesting, but I think overall it's not for me. But it was a very interesting recommendation YouTube gave to me. What was it? Fucking. I'm so used to doing it, and it's just gonna keep happening. I can foresee it. Was there something like 75 or something like that? 425. Yep. That's gonna be a pain to put actuals on too. It sounds like this I was actually had like a stupid stream deck, because then that would stop happening. But like getting a separate microphone for the Alien, so I can play games like Dual Process and First Class Trouble. It just hasn't been a terribly high priority compared to, say, the miniature train design and the Steam Deck, which is hopefully be getting mine within the next few weeks. That would be nice. That would be most ideal. Still in a 1080 frac. So there we go. And then there we go. And then again, I'm gonna go 4, and then move that over there. 20% but I think I'll have to modify that later on, like in a few nanos after I. So I'm importing all the bolts so that I'm gonna need. Sure. Yeah, sort of good enough. Mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? There we go. So then we just add that bolt, do some holes into that limit outer frame, and then that'll be that. So save. Save later on often. That's kind of my dealio. Oh yeah, I forgot I've written that down. On the final bit of news is the fact that there's a new God of War game announced, Ragnarok or something like that. Actually, well, that is saving. We can check. Yeah, Ragnarok. I haven't watched the trailer itself, but it's a thing that's been announced. Not much of a God of War fan, so could take it or leave it, sort of thing. Oh, that sucks. I know that feeling. Truly sucks. And there we go. Have you done saving it? Yes, you have. Hooray. Gonna go to templates. Nuts and bolts. Probably say MH60 will be a safe bet. Final question, am I correct? Probably not, but whoops. And that should be. No, I'm not. Fucking. Well, maybe. It's gonna be tight. It's definitely gonna be tight. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's fucking. How to put the 0.25 frack. 2.5. Why did you have to think about that? That fucking There we go. Oh way. So man. Oh, don't want you to export that. Thank you. Oh, fucking merge. There we go. 8 pitch now. What? No. No, I don't want to go to Brazil. And then there's like 2.5 on all of them. So that should be 16.25. Then 20.25. There we go. There we go. Now let's deal with the height, because I don't feel that's correct. Which is going to have to be... Fucking done it again! It's time for... Just or am I? I'm not entirely convinced on this one, Chief. I'm going to be honest with you. So that would go there, suppose, mayhaps. Sure. Question mark. I'm not entirely sure that should work, but you know. Right, is that actually not order? 40.5. Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 60. Surprised pressing 0 didn't do anything, because I realised too late that that was the numpad. Why are you having a thing over that? 6, 5, 3, okay, yeah, 5, 4. So it's 500. 5, 6. 5, 7. 5, 8. There we go. That's talking me as a lyrics thing. Again, it's kind of the same one, also. Yeah, I'll allow it. I will allow it. Although you're trying my patience. 25 and then that to 15. Because that's going to be what I want. It's going to be a 15 map. Anything else? Okay. Now before I continue, let's find this. Minus 17. Oh wow, even more than that, but it's practically on it, which is good. It's on like Donkey Kong. Well, 29.6. So top one. 6.29, and then turn that down to 4. There we go. If you don't do that, I'll greatly appreciate it. So thank you very much for 18. So that's going to be additional control valve, mount, M8 bolt hole cylinder. And then same as that one, just copy. Once that's copied, directional control valve, mount, M8 bolt hole cylinder. I've immediately forgotten what I called the last one, so hopefully that's close to it. And that should be the last one that should be need to modify. Um, that's fine. Okay. You're struggling a little bit while streaming, even though you shouldn't, because you've got like a Ryzen 7 3700X and like a RTX 3060. You should not be having to think over what I want to do. Fracking. There we go. Now see, is that conf going to be... No. No, it does not. Doesn't seem like it will. Which is like a big old hallway. Okay. Then a pitch nut M8. And make sure that's set to 1.0. Then in theory it should just be relatively easy. Just do that. Then do that and then, oh yeah, it's going to be 0.5. So that should be better. Then 250.5 times 2. 250.5 times 2. 501. And that's supposed to be 15. He's trying to pull the wool over my eyes there, but it didn't work. Let's see. 59. 60. Yeah, just now to start naming stuff. Who's the other like? Charlie, okay. Fucking I thought you were done. Actually, again, while we wait, I'm just going to do a few jobs. Is that one of us are supposed to do? Well, you know, the thing's saving. We're gonna... I don't feel that's in the right order. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to leave Faz admin because it's now out, so I don't really need to track that anymore. Other. And then the same with Cyrus games. Because where's the... Yeah, I'm not interested in this software. There you go. And now just clearing out my server thing. But there, I can't tell if it's actually just lagging more on the fracking stream or the computer itself. EMH Mark II had to improvise, inspiration. I don't think. Oh wow, I like the fact that this is when I last used it, where I just changed the volume and never turned it back up to full volume. Which honestly kind of explains a lot. Why I had to turn up my volume on Firefox, where it was way too quiet and it was loud, way too loud. On like Discord if I was on that. That would explain a lot actually. That would explain that. Final power DCV mount body box M8 bolt hole. Wait, the better. DCV. So I know which one it is. Bolt hole cylinder. DCV M8 bolt hole M8 multi transform. So to remove the M8. There we go. Frame M8 bolt hole cylinder mirror. Then final power DCV part. But that goes on the final power group. Unhide that. And then that's that done. So I'm going to make it back up then. Mount the exhaust because there's no bolts in there right now. Then I believe I'm done the engine bay. I can then move on to the driver's cab, which I'll have to consult eBay for a few things. So MISC, FreeCAD. I think I missed. Oh yeah, KDN Live. I've actually started. If you don't know, I'm actually an editor for CAD. I've got my next video. I've started editing that. So happy days. It's slow. Progress slow, particularly today because again lack of sleep and IBS meant I haven't done that much. But it's good. It's making a good dent, and I'm actually happy I was coming out. So far, Universal Creators being a pain in the butt because I tried to declare I was working. And I've dug myself into a very deep, stressful hole. And I'm hoping I can dig myself out of it sooner rather than later. But there's another 5 mess I got myself into, so that's a big oof for me, Chief. Switzerland, there one. Original. Freelance design. Engine. Bay 4. 183 to 197. Fuck. Okay, so next up. Okay, I still got like the old directional control valve thing. Like that. Like that's the original directional control valve I was using. That's actually the that I was just gonna use like a fucking relay. No relay, stupid. Oh, I still gotta do. Fuck, I still gotta add the lack board. It's fine. I am fine. I am calm. Just a moment of realization, but yeah, I was just gonna have like a fucking servo motor just to move that back for instead of using an actual electronic directional control valve. So we'll see how well this goes, but I forgot I was there. Tank. Massive. Honestly, that can take a hike. Yep. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. I deleted it, so so again, second first, same as the first. We're just going to do exactly what we did with the directional control valve. And then then we're gonna move here. Oh wait, in front of it's being 0.5. There we go. And there we go. It's not entirely how that works, but you know. Sure. What the fuck? I am confused what you're trying to do here. An interesting time to autosave FreeCAD. A very interesting time. Shut up 27, fuck you. And which one? Dupe. Suppose that's maybe because I can't just go. I suppose there's approximation of where how the flexible exhaust pipe is just going to go around everything. I like this. Like it. Let's just go. South Tennessee Red. Tennessee Red or something like that. Now, logically, this would be not the label, but be 80 because the other one was 40. Good enough. Well, nope, it would be 6. I think so. Yeah, it would be okay. It would have been 5, 6. Then this one would be 61, and this one would be 62. Here we go. And then that would be that's the exhaust door. Now it's just let's see if I got the blackboard saved. I do. Follow-up question. Do you have dimensions? Data sheet. So that's it, you know, maybe an M2. Microsoft Word, flat. Uh, 50. There you go. Well, hold up. B for A. Fuck, how did doing that one thing decrease the size by like 5 megabytes? That's a note of. What are you? Analog. Yeah, you're necessary then. So yeah. Part. Well, that's Cuphead. That was Cuphead. That's not. Yeah, like now go. It's like a series like Cuphead vibes. It's like that's the line from Cuphead. Like yeah, that's one of the ball sort of thing. That's Mega Lavinia. What the fuck? What the fucking. Yeah, it's a gaming, okay. I think I'll make other videos and music reference in a minute. Okay, so that's gonna do that. Yeah, that's Megalovania. That's the sense I said I was like listening to it. It's like because it does have it in it. Now go. That's not what I clicked on. Yeah, that's everything from Cuphead. $50 with probably a thickness of 1 mil. Yeah, that seems about the right thickness. But it's literally the last piece of the puzzle. That board. Actuonics. Onyx. That board. Template. Yeah, that's Cuphead, definitely. U-A. Then how small was it? It was pretty. It's pretty tiny. Let's just drag that over here. I said let's drag it over there. Thank you. So I can see. Oh, it's definitely one. It's definitely one. It's an M2 bolt. And an M4. move it so it's like that. Yeah, that seems about right. Wish it really wasn't like right there in terms of where the hole is, because that makes me a little bit uneasy, but hey ho. Multi-transform, and this is just going to be linear patterns. At 50. Okay. 48, does that mean that the other one's going to be 48 as well? Going up. So 4, 8. Yes. I don't think I have any. I might. Surprisingly, I do. But again, much to my own surprise. It's like, no, that is surprising. But after that, then I would be done. So you just need to add the lack board and the associated bolt holes. Because I think an M2, an 10 10mm M2 bolt will probably be sufficient. There we go. Say 0.6. That was close. It was 0.7, wasn't it? Yes, fact. Just delete that now. 10. Thanking you. Thank you to stay out of it. The way that's overhanging is like, ugh. Weird as that, it doesn't pass my vibe check. If it was a vibe check, it would have failed with that. There we go. There we go. Oh, so alright, so that's fine. I thought that it wasn't going to be in the right that, you know, it was on the wrong way sort of thing, but no, it doesn't seem to be the case, which is good. It's ideal. Then that would go like that. Over there. Then Bob's your uncle. It's in the right place, so then 48. Don't know what I dragged it into, but it's definitely not where I wanted it. That was of a certain. There you go. And then just clone these four, and that would. Oh, so that's where they are in relation to when it's not inside the part. Oh, that wouldn't be in the right place. Just zoom up. That's 58. That's not the right one. There you go. Take down a couple of notches with a brand new pace. New face. Did a reference? Did not work. Oh, why? I didn't even see if you even done it with this one. Oh, Fred, that's not the right one. It's this one that needs to go like. I hate doing this because you can't seem to. ever get the order in the way I want it to. You just randomly decide to shuffle it, and it's really quite irritating actually. So, you know, if you could like not, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Was that so difficult? 10, 1, 2, oh, I know why you done that. Because it wasn't in the right direction in the beginning. If I was like, wait, why is it like that? And I remember it's because it wasn't originally in the right direction. I didn't notice. There you go. If we could do it like that, I would very much appreciate it. 1. Oh, I'm supposed to have that many M2 bolts in this thing. But I'm surprised. Wasn't expecting that at all. So this is 21. Yeah, okay, it's just not like it's 21, 22. Fucking I pressed Control C by accident, which is not ideal. 23, 24. Then give this name, so copy black. Oh, that's not doing black board M2 bolt hole cylinder multi-transform. There you go. And so that's steel. Oh, didn't mean to do that. And then what's that? In theory. And I believe that's the engine bay finished. That's all of that needs to be done. And it took me, it was 56 minutes frack. That's a frack for me, Chief. Well, just you know, say let's try and do a few things like get out the stuff I'm going to use for the dashboard cluster. That would be ideal. So that would be under not hydraulic. That would be parts universal, MISC electric parts, signal stuff. What did I put in here? Panel mount. Well, I don't know. So I'm just. Oh, I see what this was meant to be originally. Except. That's not how that's gone down. I'm going to do something else entirely because I discovered I can get green bulbs of a very specific thing that I can use those Lapper or Lucas instead of L594 bulb holders. Crossing signal. I am confused what half of this stuff is in there. It's not even what I was looking for. I just got distracted. MISC electric stuff, there you go. That also needs clearing out. No. Do I have like a dedicated dashboard thing? Okay, yeah, that button's gone. Need to get more. Find a new supply of that. That needs to be swapped out for a bike one. That I might not even use. That is relevant, but it's not what I was exactly looking for. Why is there an SMG4 thing just randomly in my MISC Electrics thing? That's going to take a hike. Do I just have a dashboard thing? I just never realized it. No, because there's like my speedometer stuff, so it's good. That needs to be removed because it's not there anymore. But anyway, point being is, it should be there. Wait, what's even that lamp over there? It should be on the headlamp. I am confused how I've organized this. Like right now I'm just literally looking for my dashboard things because that's going to be, you know, the next thing that needs to be done. It's not these universal ones. Pentameter. It would be in between here, I feel, but it just isn't. 85mm, see what we get. That's still there, apparently. Good dandy, it's not what I was looking for. 85mm digital. There's a very certain one I'm looking for. Tachometer. RPM. I swear when you've just why is it better 15? Fuck, why? I mean, I would give like I was going for like ritual sort of thing, but still, that's a lot of money, man. You spelled Jaguar wrong. Fucking. What do you mean hour meter? So. It's only for the specific Switzerland thing, or maybe like, you know, a Genesis class locomotive is what it's going to be used for. Ah. Oh, okay, it is actually doing a difference in desktop audio. Kind of like that as well. Programmable. Interlace in diameter. It's 85. Open loop stuff. Mystic electric stuff. I always give you these images, so you can click on them, but you just can't. Also. Behind the panel, and allow comes behind the panel. Okay, it's 42. That's 96 in total. I'm assuming, so I don't. Before I forget. engine bay final. Final 2. Full mount stuff. We can take a hike, can't it? So I don't think I'm actually using them for anything, am I? No, I don't. I was literally. Unless there's one for the. No, the driver cab's separate, so. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. Guess if you say so, I'll pack up my things and go. Funny story? No. So, funny story, because no. Imagine you're going to be paying because you're a clone. You're not a clone. It's not fake. There you go. I can just do this for what I need. The mount, and that should be fine. What's this for again? The fuel frame. Don't need you. Because the fuel tank is not going to fit. So, we're going to be using, unfortunately, the built-in one. This tiny one that comes with the engine, the power unit. I will take every replace one because I'm going to drill a hole in it. So I'll just take out the original, put in another one, bippity boppity. Body size. So, where to begin? Oh, I know. With my end. New body. Let's see. All of this, most of this can take a hike. So also put that as steel because I don't think I'm going to be modifying that anymore. There we go. To do this, add chain mass frame. We'll put inner frame strut components. I have not done that yet. It's fine, that's why I should do this, just so I don't forget. Add final plate, hydraulic drive, done that. Turn to the. It's fine. It's all fine. Can you see how fine everything is? Just gonna save and then we'll continue. What you do, I'm gonna just do this. Fucking. There you go. Gonna mute this ahead of time. Was it? Then put that over here because I freed up space. Don't know why Bazaman was that button, but you know. Okay, so it's saved. So, hold on, I'll be right back because I think I need to open the door. Yes, hi, hello, I'm back. Let's get some stuff going. What does this say? That's a move. I'm gonna need some context there, but I'll anyway, enough about me getting distracted. I really had to get back to what I need to do, which is the dashboard. You know, that seems a very urgent thing to attend. Did I move the thing already? I mean, I'm gonna say obviously not, but still. I wasn't quite expecting that. Fucking. 520 by 100 minus 260 and 50 respectively. There. No, obviously I did not move it. Sure. Good enough. So I'm gonna just move that down by a factor of 2. There we go. So next up is 85. 2 because it's not a radius, it's only the fracking diameter. It's not the diameter, it's only the radius, so um 50. I'm still gonna go 55 because that's only the cut hole. 50, then mirror, then hide that, then nope, that's the wrong one. I want part cylinder, not part design cylinder. So 96 divided by 2 and 42. So 96 divided by 2 with 42. So that's gonna go like so. Then that would go there. I'm gonna make that bigger because just It's kind of so one side to be everything else and kind of then the other side would just be the speedometer. 60 and 120. There we go. Looks better. Definitely looks better. And the speedometer. 85. Backyard of the panel. Okay. So say 60. You know, I'll just use one of my existing ones. Let's see. American Freelance Design. Variant 14. Should have what I seek. It's time for It's been a while since I've had this one. It says the phone was 8 years. Well, Bobby, you've been a comma for 17 years! What the... Why? I mean, question. Well, that's not what I was expecting it to be, but it still would be fit for purpose what I need. It's going to be literally the entire thing now. When I designed this, it's a, yeah, like that's the petromechanical design. That brought it onto, yeah, like so. And there's the throttle. Like that's the exhaust, like the kind of a barrel box. Forgot that was a thing. Oh, okay. So that's from. Trying to remember, how does this actually open? Do you gain access to it? Just looking at things would be there. Oh, that's because for that, this is a design I had actually completed. It's kind of based on the diesel on that was like Greenfield, as well as city of something or other. You know, the castle there locomotive with the dashboard of David Carmen's locomotive. Top part. Yeah, that's supposed to be like. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Fracking. There we go. So it'll be like there with that. So like, there's like the kind of mesh for all the cooling. The actual fuel tank I originally wanted to use. vacuum. Like, it's not a very modular thing, like compared to my current templates I've made. It's quite comparatively not as modular. But then got a board gearbox. It's also using, I think it's, no wait, is it using, no, it's using my new bogey template for the Coco design. Forgot I did this. Anyway, let's get back to the point. I think just taking a trip down memory lane. Speedometer. Then strike that. It's going to be pretty similar to this one. Oh wait, there we go. Drag down here. For me then it's to drag here. Okay, according to this, they're already here. Okay, so I didn't need to do that. So it means I didn't have to open this at all. It means this one in driver group. Oh, dashboard top. Yeah, that would do it. Yeah, it should be. Oh yeah, I forgot I did it like that. And I wasn't doing like an electric one, I probably would still use this one. But you know, just gonna put the tooth over there plus the brake valve and then that would be that. But yeah, I forgot I did that. And I kind of like it. Like, honestly, I do like this kind of dashboard layout. Where everything's just kind of like there. You just screw it, just put it in and it lights, so on and so forth. So that's going to go like that, then boop, boop, boop. Nope. Tachometer, nope. Ignition key. Waterproof one and choke. And the rest just takes a hike, and I should be able to import the vacuum brake later. But the rest of this can just take a hike. Further enough facing the right direction is just gonna make me going It's not an insurmountable problem, it's just so because there's the buttons as well, but I wouldn't knew that was could have been in the right place. So that one is not so much of a unexpected. There's no work that needs to be done. Okay, that's not really right because this would be bigger, but so let's just make this slightly bigger. So to get a bit more of an accurate idea of what it's going to be like. I'm just gonna do this. Honestly, just because it's gonna be a lot less work. Because of the cloned things. I don't particularly care if it's not in the right order. Then just do this. And then oh, I like how the is still getting around despite how quite I got Firefox I have. It's like so, and then the brake would also not entirely sure why that's in a different place, but you know. Oh. Wait, no, I do. The idea is going to be like holds the thing into place or a thing like that. And then, you know, the vacuum control thing would be there, and then it, like all these switches and the all the switches and the tracking drive controls would be on the right hand side, sort of thing. You know, I think I'm especially ready to call it tonight. Just get this cut out done, then we'll be there. 25. It's either 25 or 26, I forget. But it's sort of like one smaller in any case, because then it won't try to fall out from the front then. Let's go 24. And then yep, and it's slightly smaller so it won't fall out. So put like that. Create a diameter constraint of 8 millimeters. There we go. So maybe help if I actually. Oh, okay, so it's actually in the right place. It's facing the right direction. I was like face inverted, so let's just do this, just so I can see where the center is. There we go. Oh, ooh. Oh, it did not like that. Oh, it does not like that. But it does not like that. at all. So then that would go like that. 26, be 27. I think. Therefore, I am 27 by 27. I'm not entirely sure that's correct. Yeah, I could see it was not quite aligned. 26.9. 6.9. So millimeter by millimeter. Fucking, that feels like that should be where it is, but it just isn't. 0.8. And oh, fucking, I see what you've done. 8, 9. That's not what I wanted. No one, you didn't remove. Eight, 5. Fracking is into that kind of accuracy. Hopefully I can get, this will be the part where I can use like CNC machining or computers to do it, because otherwise I am in for a world of pain. Then plug it. Then fracking, if you go the right way, that would be great. Then be this one, this pattern. Hopefully it's accurate enough where I'll be able to put it in. Keyword there is hopefully. And on that bombshell, I'm going to leave the live stream there. If I can remember, there you go. That's my fucking. So overall, pretty good stream. Didn't get as much done as I hoped, but we finished the engine bay, so that's good. That's now out of the way, and I can now start on the. And I have started on the driver cab, so I can hopefully finish that relatively soon. I can then start focusing on what body I want. Okay. That's so yeah, overall very good progress, and I'm very happy with what I've done, and it's not exactly where I wanted to be, but it's still in a very good place. So, as I said, the stream has been a success. On that bombshell, we're going to leave the live stream there. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Tonight will be raiding Beamy Bot with Bug Snacks, and you'll find me again at 8 PM GMT on Friday with an actual game. The reason I sang it was like, wait, am I doing that? But no, I think I am, IBS permitting. So yeah, have a good night, everyone. Bye bye.